Isigi, Bono Bia. Onye wapusi kwa kira polisi ya kuya. Rapumo, kampulono. Ifoso nya polono agama fisia. Rapumo, kampulono. Ifoso nya polono agama fisia. Madinda, agama fisia. Ifoso nya polono agama fisia. Agama fisia. Agama fisia. Agama fisia.
Mama, see, please, remember to tell Richard about my business. Eh? I need money so I can go back to my business.
He will hear about it. I'll tell him.
Mama, how long are you staying in the city?
As long as I feel like.
Then let me go inside and prepare so I can go with you.
How can you go inside and prepare? Will you leave your lesson class? Eh?
Mama, let me go and get a bike for you.
Get me a balanced bike or I will carry this bag.
That one is not a problem. I'll get it.
Mama, I am not comfortable staying in this house with Abuchi. I am not comfortable.
You are not going to run away from your brother. If he does anything funny, just call me on phone. Can't see about the police now. Are you hearing me? So you will not run away from him. Sit down, let us wait for him to the bike man on a jeep. Don't bother yourself. That's the way you run away from your brother. I will stay there so later time I'll come back.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to?
Nobody in the house.
This is dangerous.
Mama, welcome.
Mama, Buogu. So you are in the house. I've been knocking, shouting. You did not hear my voice.
I was inside doing something for my madam.
You are inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Gina is in the house. She did not hear my voice. Come on, something like that. Come on, have food. Shouting on top of my voice. So, Gina, not in this house. You should not hear my voice. Okay, so bad. They made you out. Stupid people. Come on, open this door. Come on, Kichi, go down to cheer ya. Gina, so you're here? And I've been outside there banging, calling people to come and open the gate for me to enter. Gina, I'm talking to you, you are not responding.
Auntie, welcome.
You're crying. What is happening? Talk to me. Where is Richard? Gina, what is happening? Gina, where is Benson? What is going on? What is going on? Talk to me. Gina. Hey.
If I take the money and leave as you have ordered me to, what about my son?
Your son? What are you talking about?
I impregnated Gina a few weeks to your wedding. Rex is my son. He has my blood running in his veins.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind?
I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to haunt me.
Has he picked the call?
No.
What is going on here? Gina, talk to me. Tell me what is going on. Eh? Your husband is not yet back from the market. Benson's phone is switched off. Richard is not picking your call. What is the problem? Can't you talk to me? Gina.
Auntie, please. Let us wait till my husband comes back.
Let us wait again. You don't tell me what is going on here. You don't tell me what is going on here. Since I came here, I've not rested. My mind keeps telling me that something is not well. You're deceiving me. Talk to me. Huh? Nenumu. Tell me what is going on. Kamalu, what is happening here? Hey!
Excuse me.
I'm getting confused. I don't know what to do.
Since I came here, you have been crying. It seems all is well. All is well. Let me see that all will be well. Hey. This girl did not want to talk to me. What is the problem? She didn't want to open up. Can't you confide in me and tell me what is going on?
Who will hear my side of story?
What do I do now? I don't know where Richard has been. God, why is this happening to me? Hey. Hey. He's back. He's back. And now the real trouble will start. I feel like running away. Maybe I shouldn't have stayed back. I should have run away with my son. Oh God. Hey God, why is this happening to me? Now he's dead because of me. Hey God. Hey.
Auntie, what's going on? I mean, how can you come and not tell me? That's bad.
Richard. What is all this?
Auntie, what's going on? Why did you tell me you were coming now?
Richard, what pushed you into this? I know you as somebody who abstains from alcohol. What is it? What is going on?
Auntie, what's going on? What's going on is that alcohol is the best thing. Yes. You see, alcohol makes you forget all your problems.
It's not true.
Very true.
Where is Benson?
Where is Benson? Benson.
Where is Benson? Your husband's brother.
Where is Benson, your husband's brother?
Talk to me. What is going on here?
Talk to her. What's going on here?
Oshno, you're stammering?
She's stammering. Auntie, ask her. Okay, let me tell you now. Benson is sleeping.
It's not true.
Very true.
It's not true. How can Benson be sleeping since yesterday I came here? I have not seen him. And you are telling me he's sleeping.
Auntie, Benson is sleeping. Ask her where Benson is sleeping.
Can someone tell me what is going on
here?
Gina, where is Benson?
Gina, where is Benson?
Huh?
Huh?
Chineke, you're crying.
It's crying. Where is Benson?
It's not true. Can someone talk to me?
Can someone talk to her?
Can someone tell me what is going on? Where is Benson?
Tell her where is Benson.
Hey!
Where is Benson?
What is going on? Can someone talk to me?
Tell her where Benson is.
Nobody. Nobody. Nobody.
Oh, Maduka. Maduka. Hey, is that you?
Good morning. Good morning,
my brother.
How are you, sir?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, sir. I came to know if you've heard from Richard. You know, I have not heard from him since the last time he visited.
It's the same thing, though. I've not heard from him too. I've not. Yes, I've not heard from him.
Something in me keeps telling me that something is wrong. But all the same, please give me his phone number. Let me call him. There is very important something I want to discuss with him. Agent phone. Boy, call the number.
Maduka.
08.
Did anybody tell you I have his contact?
Number?
Yeah?
You told me that you called Richard the other day. You spoke with him on phone. But you're not the one who said you called Richard. And you people spoke at length that he even asked after me.
Maduka, my brother, it was a slip of tongue. I didn't mean it. It was a mistake. Yes, it was a mistake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was just thinking I would have come. Send me well to your wife and your children. I'm able to read it. I just wanted to know if I can call him.
Okay.
Very important. Very important.
Yeah?
When I come back.
Just look at him. I don't blame you. You want me to give you Richard's number? Me. But I made a mistake. I would have given you the wrong number. Yes. Oh, I made a mistake.
One good turn deserves someone, but one bad turn, yeah. This life, no balance well. What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous.
Daddy! Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Rex. How are you?
Fine, Dad. Fine, Dad. Dad, this is the first time you are calling me by my name. You always say, son, how are you? What's the matter?
You're a smart boy.
Thank you, Daddy. But Dad, why is Mom crying? She's been crying since yesterday.
Rex, your mom will be fine, okay? I need to be alone. Why don't you just go? I'll send for you later.
Yes, Daddy. Love you, Daddy. Dad, don't you love me anymore?
I do.
I love you, Daddy. Thank you.
What is in your mind? What are you up to?
If I take the money and leave as you have ordered me to, what about my son?
What are you up to? life, no balance well. Opo get no, well, get no neither. That's the Nankiga.
Your phone.
Oh, my phone?
Yes, Uncle Richard.
Oh, Richard. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Richard, I can hear you. You want Madoka and I to visit tomorrow in the city? I hope all is well. I will send for him immediately. Think, not off it. It's off.
Papa, are you traveling to the city?
Yes. I'm traveling to the city with my brother Madoka.
That means my dream is about to come true.
Your dream? What about it?
Yes, Papa. I had a dream that Uncle Richard invited all of us to the city and he bought us big gifts. He gave me 100,000 naira.
Really?
Yes, Papa.
You had a dream?
Yes, Papa.
That you were in the city with you and the Richard?
Yes.
And he gave you 100,000 naira?
Papa, yes.
My daughter. That is a symptom of malaria. The earlier you treat it, the better for you, so that you stop having these nonsense dreams. Now, go to my brother Madoka. Tell him to get ready, that Richard wants us to visit him in the city tomorrow. Be fast, oh, Richard, I don't hope all is well.
My father is fond of getting someone angry. Imagine the way he made caricature of the dream I narrated to him. Good afternoon, sir.
Ebere, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Uncle, I was on my way to your house.
To do what? I hope all is well.
My father said I should tell you that you should get prepared. Both of you are traveling to the city tomorrow.
Is your father now a magician?
I don't know.
He told me lies that he does not have the contact at which to get to Richard. But he called Richard after I had left.
No, it's Uncle Richard that called him.
Ebere, don't try an inch to tread your father's path, because your father is a tortoise. He is a conniving, slippery maggot, smooth on the surface, but poisonous on the tail. Tell him that that's what I said.
Should I tell him you are not interested? Uncle?
Nasu di nangiga, yebi ne meka dinma. Imano na nebe go kwenisio, onemo. Ife na samu sanoa, konye nenyole, isi anaputa o. Ikiji mayalu mari begi noa, kage chimwe mayalu giyo foginanya.
Madoka, you are here. What are you doing here?
What sort of question is that? Were you not the one that said we are going to the city today?
After the rubbish you told my daughter, you came.
What kind of rubbish are you talking about?
You would have stayed in your house. You would have stayed in your house, and I would have left you behind.
Okay, you would have gone to the city without me.
Of course!
That is why you are waiting for me, and I am here. Everything you want to go alone.
Who told you I was
You know you cannot do it. Honestly, who told me? Who told me I'm not seeing? Am I not seeing? Let us go to the city. That is why I am here.
Madoka, go to the city.
Let me tell you something.
No, go to the city. Let me see.
If I get to that junction and you are not following me, I will come back in a full force.
You won't do anything. Go. No, go. Let me see. No, go.
Come, let us go.
Madoka.
When we get to the motor back, I will announce to the whole town that you have not paid your tax for the past 3 months. And the doctor will come again.
I have my receipts.
I am going back.
That's you.
I know the
doctor. Are you what? Are you coming worker? Are you coming staff? Are you coming staff?
Okay, you think I don't know what you're doing. You see, today, I am going to the city to see Richard. And I know my way to the city. That is the truth. You see this leg? It is called fast food forward.
Let me see.
That's
where is this guy going?
I said I am going to see Richard.
Where is he going?
I am going to see Richard. I am going to see
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
No, but
You're not going anywhere.
No, but
You're not going anywhere.
No, but I said I'm going. I will leave my bag and go. Leave. No. I am going to do so. I am going to do so. Me, I'm going.
No, you can't go.
Me, we go back.
You will not go.
Okay.
I'm not going.
Nkole, what is the matter? What is it? Why are you crying? Talk to me, my friend. What is it?
Mama just called me.
Mama called you. What happened? What is it? What happened? Talk to me. What did Mama say? Oh, you don't want to say anything, huh? Okay, wait. Let me get my own phone. So that you will talk to me direct. Since you cannot talk to me now, she will be talking to you direct.
When I heard the gunshots, I ran out. See Benson lying in his own pool of blood.
Hey!
He had shot himself. My brother had shot himself. That's what happened.
Hey! This is abomination. Not only abomination, this is a taboo.
Hey!
Gina, Imezebalo, and I will tell you this, I'm disappointed in you. How could you have slept with your husband's brother? As if that was not enough. You got pregnant for him, and you not even tell your husband about it.
And now Benson has killed himself because of this?
Sacrilege. Pure sacrilege.
Hey!
My elders, Bikon, I know that I have erred, but please forgive me. I begged Benson. I begged him for us to stop, but he refused.
Hey! Hey! You're shedding crocodile tears. You killed my sister's son. You begged him to stop. To stop, okay? Oju, just look at yourself. Just look at yourself. I'm talking to you.
No.
It's
okay, please, it's okay.
Let me skin her alive.
It's okay, please. Please.
Hey! Hey! Allow me to skin her alive.
Well, there is two ways to it. There are two ways to it.
Uncles Norbert and Maduka. When you get back to our Kingsmen and discuss whatever decision you come to, I'm 100% behind you. 100%. But you see, as for Gina here, I won't say anything until after Benson's burial. Then I'll talk.
Ogana, she will go. She doesn't deserve you anymore. Ogana, let her go. Ayada and Lucy. Carry your wahala and go, please. What is all this for?
No bad.
It's when you call.
Uno ne juku ihe no yi.
Relax. Well, Richard, we have heard everything you said. We go back to our people, then we get back to you. Huh?
Hey! What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous.
Life. Oh, life.
This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run.
Life.
My love, please. You can't continue like this. You're causing more harm to yourself. You know you're not used to this sort of thing. Please.
What did you just call me? No, what did you just call me now?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
See you? I don't want to see you. You understand me? So give me my bottle and bounce.
Please, I'm begging you. Forgive me, please. I hate to see you like this. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
I said, give me my bottle and bounce.
What are you doing here? You're begging him. You're begging him. You're begging him. Out. Out, I say. Get out. Useless woman. Ojú wà ọ̀nà. Epo nsì.
Bring my bottle now. Auntie.
Baby, I just want you.
Where are you going to?
Right there.
Richard, where are you going to?
I'm going out. I'm bored.
No, please don't go anywhere. You have been drinking wine since morning.
See, I'm fine. Trust me when I say I'm fine now.
You are not fine, Biko. For my sake.
What are you trying to say? Like, I'm drunk?
You are drunk.
I'm not drunk. What are you saying? I'm not drunk now. I'm standing on my feet. Am I not standing on my feet? I'm standing now. I'm fine.
Richard, please come back.
There's no problem. I'm fine. Am I not walking?
Go anywhere.
I'm walking now. I'm fine. Open this thing, my friend.
This girl wants to wipe away my sister's family. It will never work for her. Not possible. Then all you're now singing the gate. You're opening it. Stupid boy. You are a fool. If you forgive Onyala, you will lose your job very soon. Iga and the Ghana must go get you. Stupid boy. Just look at him. If anything happens to this boy, what will I say? This girl just purposely wants to wipe away my sister's family. But it will never work for her. You follow me?
Mom, who is Uncle Benson? I haven't seen him for some days now.
Your Uncle Benson is fine. He's not around. He went out.
But Mom, when is Uncle Benson coming back? I am missing him.
very soon.
Like I said. Gina, I will hold you responsible if anything happens to Richard. He just drove out in a drunk state.
Auntie, I tried stopping him, but he refused.
You want to waste 2 brothers. Pray nothing happens to him.
Auntie, nothing will happen to him.
You said?
I said nothing would happen to him.
Thank God I am here. Nothing will happen to him. You are a wicked woman. If anything happens to him, I'll make sure you suffer all the rest of your life.
Mama, take it easy. Easy. Why are you shouting at my mom like that?
My grandson, I'm not shouting at her. Oh, I'm just telling her that she's wicked.
Mom, are you wicked?
Son, I am not wicked. Grandma is just teasing me. So go inside and do your assignment. I'll join you soon.
Love you, Mama.
Love you too, son. Go. I'll be with you shortly.
Yes, Mom.
Gina, you're wicked. My sister's son brought you here in a home in a good house from dungeon. All you could pay him back was to start sleeping with his brother. 2 brothers at a time. If anything happens to both of them, you're a wicked woman. Pretender, always do the worst.
Getting confused. I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to haunt me. My past is here to haunt me. No.
Gina, what are you doing here?
I want to prepare fried rice for my husband so he can eat when he comes back.
Gina, what have I done to you? I am asking you, what have I done to you?
Auntie, I don't understand.
What is that you don't understand? How many times have I warned you not to be cooking for him anymore in this house? Stop it! Do you want to kill him?
Auntie, you are taking this too far and too personal. I don't like it.
You're still talking back at me. Eh? Gina, stop cooking for him this moment. If you try it, do you want to kill him? Stop cooking for Richard. Stop it. Pack these things, keep them in the kitchen, and don't ever cook for him again. If you want to cook for yourself and not for Richard. Wicked woman.
Please don't throw me away. 'Cause all I want is you. Remember the promises you made to me.
Norbert.
My brother.
This matter is getting out of hand. It's time we will involve Umona. That is my own suggestion.
Madoka, I agree with you about calling Umona. What I'm saying is that woman, Gina, whatever she calls herself, must leave the house with immediate effect.
Norbert, that is after Umona have decided on the issue. We cannot do that until they take their decision.
No, Madoka, I disagree with you in this respect.
Huh?
Yes. I have to call Richard to ask that his wife to leave the house until the matter is settled.
Call him.
I will do so. The number is not going.
It's not going. Keep trying. It's a poor network. You know, the weather, whenever the weather gets gloomy, it affects every network. And that is what we see every time. Boy.
I'm calling him. It's not going. We stop. We stop. It's not going.
Keep trying. I said it's poor network. It is what? It's poor network. Poor network. That is what they call it. Poor network.
Please don't throw me away. 'Cause all I want is you. Remember the promises you made to me. Don't throw me away. Don't abandon me.
Where is Richard?
I don't know. I've not seen him.
You've not seen him. And you are seated comfortably here.
Auntie, what else am I supposed to do? I've been calling him since, but he's not taking my calls.
Do you remember what you said in the afternoon when I asked you about Richard? When I warned you about Richard?
Yes, I remember. I said that nothing will happen to my husband.
Good. Thank God you remember. Look at it. Almost 3 a.m. and Richard is not yet back. And you're here comfortably. Eh? Here. Go and look for my Richard. Go and look for him. He will book umbrella. Go and look for Richard. He's not picking your call. Can we leave it? He's not picking your call. He's not picking your call. He's not picking your call. Yeah. William Missionary.
Don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to hurt me.
Why is she banging at the door this early? Eh? Does it mean that my husband is not yet back?
I am coming.
So you are here. And I've been knocking. Eh? You didn't want to open the door for me. Didn't you hear my voice? Oshim, good morning. What is good about the morning? What are you doing here? I am knocking and you didn't want to open the door for me.
Sorry, Auntie, I was sleeping.
Hey. I don't even blame you. You're supposed to sleep. You should sleep. Everywhere is very good for you. Air condition now, look again. Flower pot. The room is very spacious for you. Why do you want to sleep? On orthopedic foam. Eh? You will sleep. Get out and let us go out. Follow me and go out.
Okay, Auntie, but first, let me pray.
What's the prayer? Maybe hope we can do in the Sabbath. You are praying. Come, let us go outside.
Auntie, I am not arguing with you. I will definitely follow you out of here. But first, let me say my morning prayers, please.
Hey, Father Okunere. Father Mbaka will invite you to become one of his prayer warriors. Don't pray anything. I am talking to you and you are kneeling down. Come on, get out. Let us go outside. You think I'm joking with you?
Let me say my morning prayer. In everything, God first.
God first. Get up, Bo.
I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to hurt.
Auntie, stop this. Auntie, you won't be.
Better, you are forcing me to do that. Move. Go and look for Richard.
Auntie, okay, where do you expect me to go and look for him?
Anywhere.
I am not a prophetess. I don't know where he went to.
A prophetess, you are looking like one. Then he finish. Go and look for him. Go and bring him back in this house.
Okay, Auntie, if you want me to go and look for him, at least allow me to change into something better. How can I be walking around the street with my nightwear?
You will go there. That is your punishment. Wear your nightgown and go. That is your punishment. Go and look for him. Go and look for him and don't ever come back.
At least let me
Auntie, I don't like this.
Don't ever come back to this house.
I don't want it to look like I'm disrespecting you. I don't.
Go and find Richard. Disrespect me. I'm going home. Go out.
Auntie, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing.
You want me to bite you? What?
Auntie, stop it, though. I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing, Auntie.
Go and look for Richard. I will wound you. Don't come back here until you find him. Stupid girl. You got trouble. What's more? I'm on my nightgown. Eh? You're naked. Am I a prophetess? Go and look. Don't ever open.
Auntie, where do you expect me to go now? I don't like this thing.
I am for you. Loneliness is killing me now. Junior and I am missing you now. Where are you? Where are you? 'Cause unconditional love is all I have for you.
Mommy, where are you?
What is it?
Grandma, where's my mom?
Your mommy went downstairs. Go and lie down and sleep. Oh?
Grandma, I can't sleep.
Go and sleep. Lie down on the bed and Toyibaya go. Go and sleep.
Grandma, I can't sleep.
Sleep. It's like your head is like your mother. Sleep. I'm not careful. Lie down now. Close your eyes. Come on. Oh, she's coming. Never. I don't want to be harsh on you. Oh, my grandson came. Your mother is coming. Oh, Toyibaya and sleep. Oh, mom. Nechisha wike.
Onye nwobi sigi Onubia. Onye nwaku sikwa ki rapulisi akuya. Rapumo.
There is a joy in my heart. It's flowing like a river. Praise that Lord. With thanksgiving and oh, joy my baby. Joy my love. Wait now, I'm talking to you, eh? Why are you walking out on me now?
What is it? What do you want from me? What is it?
My love, are we quarreling?
Why do you stop me?
Stop raising your voice on me now. Calm down. It's your love. Oh.
As you can see, I'm headed somewhere. Please.
Joy, are you doing this thing because of Abuchi?
Meaning what?
You know what I mean?
Please. Like I told you, I have somewhere I'm going to. So let me go.
Joy, listen, let me tell you something. I will never allow that boy called Abuchi to take you away from me. Yeah. It will never happen. It's not possible. Do you understand me?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Joy.
Come on, leave me alone. Joy. And don't you ever try that again.
Joy. Okay now. Because of Abuchi, Nyamelita wasn't boot or queer. No wala now. I got my eyes on you, Joy. I got my eyes on you.
What is in your mind? What are you up to?
I'm fine, okay? Look, trust me, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I see I'm walking.
Yes, I know. Just help yourself.
Look, I said I'm fine. Trust me. Trust me.
You can sit up. Okay,
look,
you can sit.
I'm fine. I just have a headache.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, my dear. Who are you?
My name is Adugo.
Okay.
I am Gina's friend.
Okay.
I found him on our street. He was parked by the roadside.
Hey!
I guess he spent the night there.
My God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma. Hey. Ma, please, where is Gina so she can take him inside?
She's not around. I will do it myself. Yes, I will take him inside. Thank you. God bless you.
Should I assist you?
No, don't bother yourself. I will do it.
Don't bother. What?
It's okay, sorry.
See, I said I'm fine.
No, you're fine. You're beautiful.
I'm fine.
It's even handsome.
See, I'm fine. See, I'm walking.
I know, you're walking.
I think you're really leading me. You're doing nothing. I'm fine.
Gina is not home.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run.
Gina.
Gina, what is going on? What on earth would make you appear like this?
Adugo, your friend is in serious trouble.
I found your husband on our street.
You found my husband?
Yes.
Take me there.
Wait, I brought him home. He's inside.
Wait, you mean my husband is inside the house now?
Yes, he's inside.
Thank you. Adugo, thank you. You have saved me some troubles now. Thank you.
Gina, what is going on?
It's a long story. The devil is about to destroy my marriage. Let me see my husband first.
'Cause my past is here to haunt me. My past is here to haunt me. Who would believe me? Who would believe me? Who will hear my side of stories?
If I don't do something now, he will kill himself in drinking all this wine. And whenever he asks me, I will tell him I didn't see anything.
Baby, I just want you to know that all I have for you is true love. Baby, I just want you to know that all I have for you is unconditional love. It's unconditional love.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous.
You sent for me.
Dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can. You go use it. When you use it, finish, you go dump you. If you allow devil, you go use it. If you use it, you go dump you. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can run.
You've advised me that drinking is bad for you. Because you love the friend.
Yes, but me, I did not touch your drinks. I did not go to your bag. Darling, I need you. No.
There's so many things about me I don't know. You understand? So I'm going to give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes to bring my drinks back to me, else I will kill you.
I will have to just
have 10 minutes. Give me my drinks.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to?
Daddy, you are here and Mommy is crying. What did you do to her?
How are you?
Daddy, I am not fine. Mommy is crying. Come and see her.
Your mommy will be fine.
Daddy, I want to...
Hey! How many times have I told you not to argue with me? Haven't I said never argue with me?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. So, go. I'll come talk to you later.
Yes, Daddy.
It's killing me now. Junior and I am missing you now. Where are you? Where are you?
He used to be my son. Not anymore. I can't believe it. I can't.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run.
If I take the money and leave as you have ordered me to, what about my son?
Your son? What are you talking about?
Rex is my son.
What did you say?
You heard me. I impregnated Gina a few weeks to your wedding. Rex is my son. He has my blood running in his veins.
Why did you do this? Benson, why? Why did you betray me? Your brother? Why would you betray me? Why? Huh? Not only you slept with my wife, you now gave me a son that is yours. You gave me your son to father, your own son to father. You gave me your son to father.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run.
Auntie, leave me alone. Auntie, let me be, please. Come back here. What did you tell your son about me?
I did not tell my son anything.
So I am the one lying.
I did not say you are lying.
I overheard you when you were telling your son that Auntie Ijoma is a wicked woman.
Auntie, how can I tell a child that kind of thing? I did not tell him. Okay, go ahead and confirm from him.
Okay, I should go and confirm from him. So I am lying.
I did not say you are lying. Auntie, please stop this. Stop what you are doing. I don't like it.
You want to push me down?
You
okay?
I don't want to push you down.
Come watch your man care for laugh.
Auntie, stop this thing you are doing. Stop it. I don't like it. Auntie, stop what you are doing.
It might look glittering. It might look like gold. It might look exceptional in your eyes, in your eyes. But remember, original is original. Remember,
Now, remember what I told you.
Yes, Auntie.
As I'm on my way now to the village.
Yes, Auntie.
Make sure you don't eat anything from her.
I've heard you.
Just be very careful with her, please.
Yes, no problem.
As well.
Okay.
And for now, make sure she stays on her own. Let her not enter your room for any reason.
Don't worry, she's already on her own. She will leave here as soon as Rex comes of age.
Better.
Yes.
Please. I'll be visiting time to time,
No problem. Let me take you to the park. We're already late.
So bad, yeah. I'll be visiting you from time to time.
No problem. Sorry. I told you to remove this. Sorry, sir.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can. Cause if you're loud devil, you go use it. When you use it, finish, you go dump you. If you're loud devil, you go use it. If you use it, you go dump you. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can run.
Maduka, Ifeme. Ifeme. Okay. Yes, as I'm talking with you now, Richard's wife is in his house. Yes. I'm not passing.
Are you saying that Richard's wife is in his house? This is totally rubbish. I can't believe it.
When I asked him, he said he allowed her to stay because Benson's son is in his house.
Hey! It's rubbish. It's rubbish. With that girl in his house, his life is in danger. You should let him understand this, Norbert. You should let him understand it.
See that about Richard? He doesn't hear word. What have I not discussed with him? What have I not advised him?
I don't know why you are refusing to give me his number, so that I can as well be calling him to let him understand some certain rudiment of the tradition. Number, you decline. Have you seen it? It's because you are the only one doing the homework by yourself. Number, what is in the number? Telephone number 080.
Maduka, what brought this issue of phone number again? What brought this issue of phone number again? That was I discussing.
Truth is always bitter. But okay, for phone number of Richard, I must get it.
No problem.
Instead, I will get his number.
Okay, no problem. Until I come to end of this discussion.
I know. That is how we will always.
Richie, Why are you doing this? These days you sleep outside. You've been out of your home since yesterday and you're back now drunk. What is going on? Why are you doing this to me? This is not fair.
Who talked? Huh? Who just talked about fairness? You? You? Talk about fairness? You have no moral justification whatsoever to talk about fairness. Yes. No moral justification when you are a killer. By killer.